Hello everyone! Today, we're diving into the rich flavors of shakshuka, a savory delight that's as vibrant as it is delicious. Welcome to my YouTube channel for another culinary adventure. These are our ingredients. You can also check from the description. Now, let's get everything prepared. Let us mince our garlic and onion. Our garlic and onion will give us a delicious aroma for our shakshuka. Shakshuka, by the way, is a North African and a Middle Eastern dish, which is best for a hearty and flavorful breakfast or brunch. To continue, grab our tomato and bell pepper and mince it finely, ensuring each bite is bursting with flavor. The tomatoes provide the base for the sauce, and the bell pepper adds sweetness and depth to the sauce. With our ingredients ready, it's time to start cooking. Heat up a generous glug of oil in a pan over a medium flame. Once the oil is shimmering, toss in the minced onion and garlic. Let them saute together until they're beautifully softened, releasing their sweet aroma into the air. Now, it's time to introduce our star player, the tomatoes, and give it a stir. Pour in the tomato paste. This will give more vibrance and taste. Now, another star player, our capsicum or bell pepper. This time, let's sprinkle our paprika powder, cumin powder, our salt, and just a touch of chili powder for that extra kick. Stir everything together until it's well combined. Then let it simmer gently, allowing those flavors to mingle and dance. As the sauce bubbles away, grab a spatula and make a little nest in the mixture and carefully crack an egg on each one, letting them nestle snugly into their tomatoey home. Sprinkle a little bit of salt and pepper and cover. Let the shakshuka simmer gently until the eggs are set to your liking. And there you have it, our fragrant, flavorful shakshuka. It's ready to be devoured. Serve it up with a slice of crusty bread for dipping, and enjoy the explosion of taste with every bite. Thank you for joining me in this culinary journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Until next time, happy